Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The Bellagio opened in 1998 and immediately redefined what a Las Vegas resort could be. Built by Steve Wynn Mirage Resorts, it replaced the former Dunes Hotel, which occupied the same site from 1955 until it was demolished in 1993. The Bellagio was inspired by the Italian village of Bellagio on Lake Como, known for its villas and waterfront promenades. The concept for the resorts emphasizes elegance, water features, landscaping, and modern luxury rather than the themed spectacle that dominated the Strip in the 1990s. The resort cost approximately $1.6 billion to build, making it the most expensive hotel project in the world at the time of its opening. One of its signature achievements was the 8-acre lake in front of the property, designed specifically to host the now famous fountain performances. Behind the facade, the property includes high-end dining, luxury retail, an extensive art collection and gallery space, and one of the largest conservatories in Las Vegas. The Bellagio quickly established itself in popular culture, thanks in part to its immediate adoption by Hollywood. The most famous use of the property appears in Ocean's 11 in 2001, where the Bellagio plays a central role in the heist storyline. The casino, interiors, and fountain lake are all featured, helping cement the resort as one of the must-see landmarks on the Strip. The film's final scene with the characters standing together facing the fountains became one of the most recognizable Las Vegas images in movie history. The Bellagio is also featured in Ocean's 13 and referenced throughout the series as part of the era's luxury casino culture. Other films have included the resort in establishing shots or selecting scenes, including Focus 2015, which integrated casino and exterior footage into its storyline. In The Hangover 2009, the Bellagio's exterior and surrounding strip area appear as the group navigates the city's major resorts. The property also appears in Lucky You 2007 and other poker-themed productions that sought authentic Las Vegas backdrops. Through both architecture and film, the Bellagio became symbolic of a transitional era in Las Vegas, one that shifted from heavily themed resorts towards properties that emphasize upscale design, art, and culinary identity.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.